Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 Audi Q7? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The dual touchscreen MMI infotainment system with a 10.1-inch upper display for navigation, media, and phone functions. The Audi's 12.3-inch fully digital Virtual Cockpit Plus, showing customizable driving info, navigation, and media with multiple display modes. The 8-speed Tiptronic automatic selector with a leather-wrapped console lever for smooth gear changes and ergonomic control. The leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel features tactile buttons and scroll controls for audio, phone, voice assistant, and menu navigation without taking hands off the wheel. The 4-zone automatic climate control so front and rear passengers can set individual temperatures, with intuitive touchscreen adjustments for airflow and temperature. The 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, and a 3.0-liter turbo V6 producing 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, steering lock warning light. Malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light, engine oil pressure warning light. Forward safety warning light, seat belt reminder indicator. Low washer fluid warning light, high temperature indicator. Anti-lock brake system indicator. Crash sensors and airbag indicator. Electric power steering system indicator. Vehicle stability assist system indicator. Vehicle stability assist off indicator. Low tire pressure or TPMS indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light. Turn signal and hazard warning indicators. Lights on indicator. High beam indicator. Auto high beam indicator. Fog light indicator. Front passenger airbag status light. Door ajar warning light. Side assist indicator light. Steering intervention request. Low fuel level warning light. Master warning light. Child safety door lock or unlock indicator light. Child seat lower anchor indicator light. Lane safety indicator light. Lane centering indicator. Distance warning light. All-wheel drive warning light. Engine speed limitation light. Hood indicator light. Auto stop off indicator light. Auto stop indicator light. Hill hold assist indicator light. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.